Welcome to the Connected Voice Basic Setup Guide for CenturyLink, the phone solution built for your connected life. Connected Voice Basic includes one phone number. It's a common choice for a residential home phone service like yours. Today, we're going to walk you through a few quick and easy steps to get your service set up and running. Ready to go? Let's get started. First, let's make sure you have all of your equipment. The box with your equipment should include one connected voice analog telephone adapter, one power cord, one Ethernet cable, and one 911 sticker. For the best results, we recommend that you use a cordless phone with your connected voice service. You can connect the adapter to the cordless base station and then distribute any additional cordless handsets throughout your house. Connected Voice will only work with phones that are connected to the analog telephone adapter. Any phones you have plugged into standard phone jacks in your home will not work. If everything looks good, it's time to set up your connected voice service. Your analog telephone adapter will complete your setup automatically once it's connected to your CenturyLink internet service. All you need to do is plug everything in. Let's set it up. Place the adapter near your modem. Pick a place that has good air circulation. You don't want your equipment to get too hot. Next, plug the Ethernet cable into one of the Ethernet ports on the back of your modem, and then into your internet port on the back of your adapter box. Now you're ready to connect your phone. Plug a standard telephone cable into the phone port on the back of the adapter. Then plug the other end of the cable into the telephone or cordless phone base. Power up your system by plugging the power cord into the flat power port on the back. Then plug it into an electrical outlet. The power light on the top of your analog telephone adapter should light up. Now, sit back and wait while your analog telephone adapter talks to your network and finishes the setup. You'll know the process is complete when the lights for the power, internet, and phone on the front top of the adapter box light up. The auto configuration process can be completed in as little as 3 to 4 minutes, but it can also take up to 15 minutes. Please be patient. Unplug or restarting the device while any of the lights are still flashing during setup can cause the unit to malfunction. Now you're ready to pick up the phone and make your first call. Your friends and family will want your new number too, so be sure to share it with them. The easiest way to see your number is to call your mobile phone and check the incoming number. You can also sign into your connected voice account online at managevoice.centurylink.com/login. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your connected voice basic service. We hope you enjoy the fast, reliable connection.